Alright YouTube, I am here with my Hoover Conquest. I know it's been a while since I've run this on video. Well, actually it's been a while since I've run this at all, really. But here I am with it, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I do need to work on the bearings a little bit, but I'm gonna run it right now and basically do a before video. Oh, and if y'all remember how this one didn't have a power switch pedal, well, I dug through my parts and found a spare one that came off of a Parts Conquest style unit. It was the one that was supposed to be the professional series Conquest style. So I took the switch off of that one, the base, and put it on here. So here we go. Definitely has a lot of airflow. Oh yeah, that's what it was. I know it can pick it up. It just got caught between that little, like, that little post on it, on the base plate. So yeah, I probably also need to maybe grease the brush roll bearings, because I think it's been a while since I've done that. So yeah, it probably needs them. But here we go on the commercial carpet. It actually slips carpet up to it. Conquests have a good amount of airflow. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put some dirt down. I know I've got plenty of it, like from this, I think it's a Bissell filter or something. Or maybe it was over on that rusted Hoover over there. I think it may be from that Hoover, because if I open this and don't find a filter, it's from it. Yeah, it's from this Hoover, no doubt. That one has been one of the greatest pains to fix that I've ever had. Aside from Dyson's, which already aren't that easy to fix. Yeah, let's go ahead and, I'm not gonna put hair down because I know this thing will wrap. I'm not gonna try and pick up this string with it, because since it wraps hair, I know it'll wrap the string. front wheels need Yep, no front wheels need greasing. Now let's go ahead and check the heavy objects clean out, because I'm sure there was something in there, in that pile of dirt that would drop into it. Oh, yeah, we got a screw. Oh, there's some money. You don't know how many of those it's tilled out of carpet. And pretty much tilled out of carpet. Oh, there's an eraser. A little bit of wire. Babies. Yeah, this heavy objects clean out is effective. I've never had anything damage this thing. Yeah, Conquests can generally take quite a beating and still come out unfazed. For anyone who doesn't like the Conquest, definitely let me know and give the reason for not liking it, because I'm curious to know what y'all's opinions of these are and all that, because I at least want to get some opinions on things. Like, oh, there's some glass that didn't pick up, so at least you know if you pick up glass with it, if it's a thick glass, then it's not going to damage it, because if it can't get to the fan and bust it, it's not going to hurt it. But anyway, yeah, let me know y'all's opinions on the Conquest and why in the comment section below. So definitely drop that down there, and while you're at it, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this one and many more of this kind of topic. And until next time, bye.